Thickies, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here to Thick Girls Guide. This is your official guide for all things plus size, fashion, lifestyle, and traveling. And in today's video, I have a BAGSMART review. BAGSMART sent me a couple new bags that they have just launched to check out. We're gonna dive into those. I'm gonna give you all the specs on the bags, show you the ins and outs of the bags, and all of that good stuff. So definitely stay tuned to see these amazing bags. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. Right, so let's dive into these two new bags. Now, if you haven't seen my first video doing a BAGSMART review, I will link that at the end of this video. I believe I have 3 bags. I think I have more than 3 bags in there because I have the 3 that they sent me that I featured that are outstanding quality. These, honestly, I've been so impressed with their quality, guys. I have BAGSMART, like the toiletry bags, the jewelry organizer, a couple different other bags that I featured in the last video, and absolutely love those. But the kind of the larger bags and the backpacks, I've been super impressed with the quality. Like, you can just tell they are impeccable quality. The 2 that they've recently sent me, one I am super excited about because it's a backpack, but it's also a roller bag. So it gives you a lot of different options to where you can obviously wear it as a backpack, but if you're someone who either gets tired of wearing something as a backpack or it's too heavy, you can take it off and it has like the extended handle and becomes a roller bag. So I think that is a genius design and something I don't think I've ever seen. I've seen roller bags separately from backpacks, but I don't think I've ever seen one that turns from a roller bag into a backpack or vice versa. So I think that's really, really smart. So we're gonna start with that one. It is called the Blast 43-liter roller backpack. This one retails for approximately $140. But I will have some discount codes listed below so you can save some money. The telescopic handle is extremely good quality. Like, if you see in the video eventually at some point here, I'm like kind of shaking it back and forth because really cheap ones will have a lot of give back and forth and you can just feel kind of how chintzy it is. This one is solid, okay? So props to BAGSMART for using quality materials. The dimensions, it's obviously 43 liters. The weight of it is 6.61 pounds or 3 kilograms. The size of it is 21.7 inches by 13.8 by 9.1. In centimeters, that's 55 by 35 by 23. For the telescopic handle, it has 2 different heights that you can do, and that goes from 11.4 inches to 20.1 inches. The materials it's made out of, the exterior is ripstop nylon. Interior says it's peach skin fabric, and then one of the quick access pockets in the front has a velvet lining. So the features and details about this particular bag, it has an anti-tip rest bar that provides stability and acts as a grab handle as well. It's like a harder plastic on the bottom of the bag that keeps it from tipping over. It has a quick access top pocket for your travel essentials, elastic water bottle pockets that fit up to a 30-ounce water bottle, padded stowable shoulder straps so the backpack straps are very padded, has an adjustable sternum strap for added support. So there was these like weird little bars in there that I couldn't figure out what they were for, to be honest. And so I had to look it up. And basically, like, there's snaps in the bag where you can have these kind of additional support bars in there for extra stability. So I thought that was interesting because I've never seen a bag with those before. And it has side compression straps for load stability as well. So you see those little side clips and stuff. You can clip those to kind of compress everything down. And it's got a reinforced base as well as a wide wheelbase to ensure balance. The little kind of secret pocket on the back you'll probably see later in my video of the actual bag, but it is RFID blocking pocket for card safety. And it also has a concealed wheel cover to protect clothing. I don't really think this protects clothing, but it will help protect the wheels. Especially when you put this in like the overhead bin or something like that. This is obviously not a bag. It's not going to fit under the seat in front of you. This is definitely one that you would use as a carry-on item and stow above in the little overhead bin. So if you took this, you can then take a personal item in addition to this bag, and that would go in the seat in front of you. And this bag can carry quite a bit of stuff. It says it's good for 1 to 2 week trips. It's got a lockable laptop sleeve that fits up to a 15.6 inch laptop. The wheels, very good quality. This rolls extremely smoothly. I had it on the top of my coffee table. I do have a little plastic cover on my coffee table so it doesn't damage it, but rolls around perfectly on there. Also did really well on my carpet when I was kind of showing and modeling it for you guys. And I was really shocked at how comfortable it was as a backpack, because it's almost like a hiking backpack where it's pretty big, you know. Honestly, it can get very heavy. You're stuffing it to the brim because this will hold a lot of stuff. And I was thinking, okay, well, for, you know, maybe a lot of people, this might be something that they do not want to wear as a backpack because of how heavy it could get. But I put quite a bit of stuff in it, and it was still really comfortable as a backpack. I could have stuffed it even more. But again, you have the option to wheel it instead. So that is, again, that's amazing. And this bag does fold down very flat for easy storage. So when it did come into me, I had to kind of like pop it up and pop it open. And so when you're not using it, it's very easy to collapse it down and make it much smaller. You can slide it under a bed or easily store it in a closet, you know, whether it's upright or flat or whatnot. It does compact down pretty well. And it does come in 2 different colors. So the tan color that I have featured here is called Oyster, and then there's kind of a greenish gray almost called Cedar. So some nice neutral colors. It also has a top handle that you could carry it with, and also a side handle that you could carry it with. And these are reinforced handles. Again, extremely good quality. Not once did I ever feel like these were going to rip off or have a problem. Overall, this is a fantastic option for traveling, but also gives you a lot of different options to carry it or wheel it, or again, wear it as a backpack. So I think this is a fantastic new bag from BAGSMART. So for the second item that they sent me, it is the Blast Pro 40 liter travel backpack. This backpack retails for about $110. It comes in 4 different color options. So it comes in the same tan color as the roller bag, which is the oyster color. Of course, comes in black, comes in shade blue and green smoke. The one I'm featuring today is the green smoke color. Now the dimensions on this backpack, it is 40 liters as it says in the name. The weight of it is 3.98 pounds or 1.3 kilograms. Size is 13 inches by 8.7 by 17.7 inches, or in centimeters, that's 33 by 22 by 45. And then the material's the same as the roller bag. The exterior is rip-stop nylon, interior is peach skin fabric, and the laptop compartment has a velvet lining. Now, I will say this backpack, if you stuff it, because it can hold so much stuff, so if you stuff it to the brim, it is probably not going to fit under the seat in front of you, just by how big this backpack can get. So keep that in mind. If you overstuff it, you're gonna have to put it up above as like your your actual carry-on and not your personal item. Honestly, you can stuff it so much to where it gets very, very heavy. Now, it does have the top handle you can carry it from. Those are reinforced. Again, fantastic quality. Also has a side handle. And then the backpack straps are padded as well, help with more comfort. They use YKK zippers. So of course these zippers are extremely high quality and are not going to bust open on you. There is also a lockable laptop sleeve that fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop. And it is padded in there as well to help protect your, whether it's a tablet or a laptop or whatnot. It does have an RFID pocket, again, along the back of it, kind of like your hidden pocket. The water bottle pocket fits up to a 30-ounce pocket, similar to the roller bag as well. Again, they always do with their backpacks for the most part. They have this little top pocket that is kind of just really good for things that you're going to need access to quickly. So that makes that really easy. The front zip organizer has what they call a key leash. My Dooney and Burke bags have this, and it is like one of my favorite functions because, you know, in a big bag or a backpack, you're always trying to dig for your keys. What compartment did I put these things in? Well, this makes it super easy because you can just clip the keys on the little keychain. It also has a little release button that you can just pop it off. So you don't even have to unhook it. You just unclip it and clip it back in. So they really put a lot of thought into the ease of use. Also has some pen slots and a couple different slip pockets in there as well for organization. This backpack also has not only the sternum strap that goes across the chest, but also they say hip belt. It honestly hits me on my waist. But it just helps to kind of make the backpack more comfortable to carry, especially if it is very heavy. Kind of just helps to secure it to you a little bit better and kind of disperse the weight a little bit more evenly across your body. It also has a trolley strap on the back of it, so you could stack it on your rolling luggage, or if you bought the roller bag, you can put it on top of there as well and roll it all together. The main compartment opens like a suitcase style packing, so into kind of one big area, which I really like in these backpacks. And a lot of backpacks, again, it's kind of like the top opening and then you kind of have to dig to the bottom, where this one is more of a suitcase style. So I really like that for travel. It also includes in the interior a waterproof PVC pocket for toiletries, or if you have something like a wet swimsuit, you don't want it to get everywhere and get your other clothes and items wet in there, you can put that in the waterproof PVC pocket and keep it contained, and then it's super easy to clean because it's just a PVC vinyl. There's also a ventilated stowable shoe and dirty item compartment down towards the bottom of the bag. Now keep in mind, if you're putting kind of some big bulky shoes in there, it is going to take up room in the main compartment, so you can't fit as much in there. So just keep that in mind. But I do like how it is separate because you don't want your dirty, nasty shoes touching all the clean clothes and undergarments and all of that. That is in the main compartment. So there is also compression straps on the sides of the bag, 2 on each side, that will help to kind of compress it and stabilize everything in it, especially if it's not full. But then you can kind of undo those if you want to expand it a little bit more. So love that it kind of gives you that option to, you know, stuff it to the brim and then try to compress it down a little bit. Or if you're not stuffing it to the max, compressing it down some so it makes it smaller, so that way it could fit under the seat in front of you. So again, this is a very high quality backpack. I love all the different compartments on it. It gives you so much organization, and they really think of, I mean, pretty much everything with this bag. They are a bit pricey backpacks, but they are worth it because you're getting extremely high quality materials, high quality zippers. This thing is not going to break on you mid-trip. You know what I mean? Like it's something that's going to last for, you know, not only, I mean, if you're using it for business travel and personal travel, or, you know, even for school, like, and you're transporting your laptop back and forth and stuff like that, this is going to really last. It's very rugged, very durable. and just gives you a lot of different options, as well as the roller bag. Super, super versatile. Amazing quality. So keep doing what you're doing, BAGSMART. I can't wait to use these on my next trip and to really try them out. But upon first appearance and going through all the different pockets and features of the bag and really kind of checking out the wheels and the handles and all of that, very, very impressed. So cannot recommend this enough. Of course, these bags will be linked down below as well if you are interested, and I will include any kind of discount code from BAGSMART down below in the description box as well to help save you guys some money. So if you're looking for a new travel bag, definitely check out BAGSMART for some amazing finds. Again, not only do they have backpacks and like a roller bag, they also have like toiletry bags, like several different types and styles, jewelry organizers, and they do have a couple different pieces of luggage that are carry-on about the 20-inch size. So definitely check them out because I have been very happy with everything that I have purchased with my own money, as well as everything that they have sent me for review. So thank you again, BAGSMART, and I hope you guys do check out the bags and hope you fall in love with one just as I have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang for more travel and plus size content, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.